Ronald from Lake Jackson has a question about replacement windows.
Holy moly, he's replacing 20 of them.
Well,
Ronald writes to us, they are the originals installed when the house was built back in 1982, Tom, and most of the replacement windows in his area, he says, are vinyl. Mm-hmm. And that's his question. He says, Tom, Ronald wants to know, is vinyl the right choice in this area? He's down in Lake Jackson. Well,
vinyl's been a mainstay in window replacement for years. I have vinyl windows in my house, but that doesn't mean that windows aren't progressing into even more a more better product. Is that right? A more better product.
Is it more betterer still?
And then some of it is not better, and they make it sound like it's better. So you got to watch out who you buy it from. But as far as vinyl goes, the biggest downfall with vinyl, if you get good vinyl, it's not going to melt and everything like they show. But you get white. Or you get white.
Right.
I think there's like a bone color too.
Right.
But now with the new windows, you can get wood grain on the inside, different colors on the outside, different kinds of hardware. It's just not that big, thick framed white vinyl, and that's what people are kind of getting away from. So the new composite windows you're able to have a stiffer frame, a smaller frame, more glass, and all those color options that just make it look, I think, even that much better. So is it a good window? Sure, it's going to be a fine window. Are there better windows? Yes, there are. Be careful what kind of windows you buy. Stay away from the wood composite because those are not good for our area. Obviously, wood is never good for the Gulf Coast region. If you go to Gulf Coast Windows, you can take a look at their composite windows. You can take a look at the hurricane windows. You can take a look at a lot of the vinyl windows, and you'll be able to choose a window right for you. But today, whatever window you choose, I doubt you'll have to replace it again unless we have a meteor strike or something like that.
Or you live forever.
Maybe you're bit by
a
just
bug
get bored.
And you become like
the new windows. Who knows? They might beam you into a different universe.
Wow.
I don't know.
That'd be kind of cool.
I won't know because I won't be around.
But when those windows come, Jim Fumey will have them first at Gulf Coast Windows.
I'm waiting for the window that you can create your own. He will too. That creates your own landscape. You could be looking at the ocean. You could be looking at all this different stuff.
Kind of like instead of the brick wall condo next to you. Exactly right.
So I'm telling you, it's going to come someday where you'll be able to choose your own.
I could see that, where they could have like an
virtual reality
thing? LCD that goes in there and you can see through it when it's on. I could see
the light in, but a whole different.
Jim Fumey, if you're listening, get on that.
Can you imagine?
And if you got questions, get on that. Send them to us. We'll take them at HomeShowRadio.com. You can also see our questions and answers over here and subscribe to our channel.